What's up, guys? Let's talk about how the new Google AdWords actually works and functions. Let's dive in.
Okay guys, let's dive in. So I just started running this AdWords campaign for this particular client. And just to give you guys a little overview again of the new AdWords, or also known as the Google Ads platform. When you first open up the platform and get into it, after you get through the AdWords Express, I highly recommend not using AdWords Express. It's just a money pit if you ask me. So once you actually get into the AdWords platform or the Google Ads, basically once your ads are running, you get this top box up here where it shows your clicks, your impressions, your average click cost, and you also can go in and customize these as you would like. So, you can click on this little down arrow and say, I want to see the conversions that I've done. So if you want to, from there, you can go to cost of conversion, and it tells you how much it's costing you overall in your campaign, your cost per conversion, and different things like that. So you can go in and customize these dashboards to your liking. You have different panels down here. In this particular one, it shows you words that you might want to try out for your campaigns, and just gives you a giant breakdown of your campaigns. So your ad sets inside of your campaigns overall, your keywords that are performing and how they're performing, the searches that are showing up, the ads that are being shown, the devices, the networks, and the hours and days that your ads are showing up. So this is just a little breakdown of how you read the data that comes in up on this right-hand corner. You can go in and change dates and see how your ads are performing in different months, depending on how long your campaigns are running. So over here on this left-hand side, you have your different campaigns. Over here that it's showing you your overview. You have your recommendations tab. So under your recommendations, AdWords makes a bunch of recommendations. Don't always listen to the recommendations because they also want your money too. So I wouldn't recommend. You need to be very careful on the recommendations that AdWords is giving you and the data that they're telling you should do. So be very selective on the data that they're giving you on the recommendations. I wouldn't go through and press apply all on these. You're going to start spending a lot of money. So diving into your campaigns, this is where on this level here, this is where you start creating your campaigns. You can start to analyze your data as you would like. So you have your segments and columns. So underneath columns, you can modify them and see the data as you want to see it. So my biggest ones that I like to check out are my competitive metrics. Under here, just seeing my display share and how much how much ad space I'm actually buying up. And then obviously like your cost per conversions and different things like that. I'm always looking at those. Underneath your campaign here, just to give you a little rundown on our campaign creation, I'm going to give you a little rundown on how to do a little simple click campaign. So this is your little magic button here to start your campaign, and we're going to create a new campaign. So you have different variations of ad campaigns that you can run. You can run search, which is going to be inside of Google search. You have your display campaigns, which is going to be it's those sites out there that have opted in to show ads on their websites. So these are like display ads. Then you have shopping ads. So if you type, when you're out Google shopping, I'll show you guys. So these are shopping ads. So we're going to look up, TVs for sale. So right here, these right here are your Google shopping ads. So if you're a WooCommerce store, these are key for you. So those are your shopping ads. Then your video ads, those are your YouTube ads. And then your universal app is all of your Google networks. There's a list of them out there. You guys can go check them out. I don't run ads here. I mainly run ads on these 4 here: your search, your display, your shopping, and your videos. Those are the best results that I've got. So I'm just going to show you guys how to set up a simple search campaign. So we'll just do, there's a bunch of different variations here, but we'll just do website traffic for now, and we'll just we'll set them up for me. So we'll just send them to taylortimothy.com. And we'll call campaign name just test. So inside of this search network, you got to be careful again. Don't just leave all these checkboxes here. So search network, disable display network. When you're running AdWords campaigns, you'll want to have a search campaign, a display campaign, a YouTube campaign, a Google Shopping campaign. Run all of your campaigns individually for your different placements. So then here, this is where you can start getting do your geo-targeting, United States, Canada. You can also do zip codes. There's a bunch of different variations on how you can run your location targeting. Look in to see what's best for you. English, and then obviously your budget. So, $5 a day. Delivery method, I always do accelerated. And the reason why I do accelerated is because these people are searching for specific keywords. So Google's not going and finding these people. These people are finding you. So I show my ads accelerated to show them up as fast as possible, so I'm making sure I'm actually spending my ad budget. So I do accelerated. You have your different type of bidding. So in this case, just for this example, we'll do clicks and maximum cost per click. So how much money are you willing to pay for a click? There's some industries out there that are paying $250 per click, and those are usually lawyers, but just depending on your industry, you're going to have to decide on how much you're going to bid for a click. And then down here, you can even start to get more specific on your targeting. In a specific ad campaign, you're not going to be doing actual audiences unless you're remarketing. So you'll go in and you'll be going after specific keywords. But anyways, site link extensions, you'll want to go out and build all of your site link extensions out. These are different services you may offer for your business. Along with call out extensions, you'll fill out all of your call out extensions. So for example, if you're a carpet cleaning company, you might be tile cleaning, floor cleaning, different call out extensions there. Your call extensions are going to be your phone numbers. So that's how you build out these ads. As far as your click campaign goes, again, for click campaigns, you will not want to do audiences unless you're remarketing. So this is where you're going to put in the keywords. So for a carpet cleaner, for example, you'll want to do like carpet cleaning near me. This is going to be a very competitive keyword as far as carpet cleaning goes, but you'll want to do carpet cleaning near me. So when someone types in carpet cleaning near me, your ad's showing up. So this is where you're going to go in and build out all of your keywords that you're wanting to show up for. You can see right here on AdWords or Google Ads, I'm still getting used to that transition. You have keyword, broad match, keyword, phrase match, keyword, exact match. So you'll want to go in and test these variations of these ads. So when you're building out your campaigns, the more money you'll spend more money, the broader you are. So you're going to be you will get less traffic if you're running if you're running phrase match and exact match, because people have to type in at least that exact phrase. So I'll be doing another tutorial video on this section, but build out your ad groups for each word individually. So if you're doing carpet cleaning, only do an ad group that's called carpet cleaning. So if you want to do tile cleaning, you'll do a different ad group with different keywords. So I highly recommend doing that. Then you'll save and continue, and this is where you build your actual ad. So when you're running these ad groups, make sure you run them and drive them to individual landing pages that cover the keywords that you're going after. So carpet cleaning, you are going to build a landing page that's designed specifically for carpet cleaning. So you'll put your final URL, you'll do your headline and your second headline. So for example, best carpet cleaning company. And you can see that the ad starts to build out here. And from there, you'll put, we are the best. I'm not going over ad copy right now. It's just giving you an example. And then you have your description. You can write 80 different characters. Then once you're done, save and continue. Obviously, you're going to get an error because I didn't finish this. But again, once you press submit, it's going to go into review process, and make sure you haven't used any wrong characters or anything like that. And that's a simple rundown on how the Google Ads platform works. Again, if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, and peace.
If you guys have any questions, post in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Peace.